$146 million of matching fund bonds was officially sold by the Virgin Islands Public Finance Authority on Thursday. According to Government House, the bond issue raised $130 million and will fund operating costs of the government.
For this year, it'll deal with some refunds, tax refunds that we owe, which will increase our refunds to $95 million. There's over $15 million in receivables that are due to WAPA from the hospitals, so we'll address that obligation. In addition to that, we owe some monies to workmen's compensation to a lot of our providers in the community, which is a very sensitive area. And then the remaining amount will go towards general expenses. But in addition to that, we're also covering some operating shortfalls for fiscal year 13 and 14. So we really put a plan together that deals for the next couple years.
The BBB rated bonds were sold at an all-in cost of 4.45% for the 20-year bond issue.
Demand actually drove the yield down on the bonds to 4.45%, which is very beneficial to the territory in that we are paying a historically low interest rate in this market that has a lot of money looking for some place to be invested. And that translates into lower interest payments over time that we'll have to make. So that is money that we get to keep.
With the sale of working capital bonds complete, Governor Jongh Jr. hopes that the Senate can move forward on capital projects and energy legislation.
Let's take advantage of going to the market. Let's look at the rate structure. Let's try to be aggressive. And we were right. If the legislature had approved the projects, we'd have had the benefit of this interest rate cost on these projects today and been able to roll it in. We still have an opportunity if they can approve it before the end of this month, but again, that's their call.
Allison Bourne-Vanneck, News 2.